Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. What is going on, Docs Gang? I'm going to struggle throughout this entire video to be enthusiastic. Today, we're going to be doing a 5-minute beat challenge. I have done this in the past before, but I was like, you know what, let's do it again. I want to challenge myself, you know? And what better way to do that than to put a time constraint on me? So, because, you know, I mean, my beats are amazing. We all know this, right? I'm thinking like there's nothing that can handicap me. I can use any type of beat. I can make any kind of beat I want. Boom, bap, lo-fi, trap, hip hop, any type, you know what I'm saying? So the only way to constrain myself is to put a time limit on it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do a 5-minute beat challenge. I hope it's to your liking. I hope it turns out well. It probably won't. I'm gonna be honest right now. I just woke up. I just got out of bed. And as you can tell, my eyes are really low. They're probably red as hell too. But I mean, yeah, it should be fun. So I'm just gonna do it. All right, here's 5 minutes on the clock. All right, ready, set, go. Cool. Oh, we're starting. Let's. Okay, I forgot to get rid of this damn noise. Melody, and now let's mess with the arpeggio. Alright, let's speed this up. Damn, I got 3 minutes left. Alright. No. I shouldn't be doing this, but I can fix this. Don't worry, I can fix this. guess our time is up. I mean, I know the beat's over, and I know this is gonna be over 10 minutes since it's a 5-minute beat tutorial, but I'm gonna fix it up because I really like this beat. And I mean, so yeah, before I fix it up, I'm gonna show you what it sounds. Actually, you already heard it. I'm gonna fix it up, and then you're gonna hear what it sounds like afterwards. So yeah, just give me a second, all right? But that was fire. Like, let's just, all right.
Hours later.
There's the beat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There's my 5-minute beat challenge. Once again, this just shows you that less is more. I literally used one sound for a melody and it turned out fine. So if you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos in the future in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And turn on post notifications while you're at it. And I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really, really, really appreciate that. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I know